Hey there, I was just chopping up some onions, so I thought I would share this awesome little handy tool to have in the kitchen. This is a vegetable chopper. It makes it really easy to fine dice your vegetables, especially onions if you don't want to get the tears. See how nicely that chops up, much easier in a one little pop down. Very easy to use. Take a piece of onion or whatever you're chopping, pop it in here, put it down, easy peasy. Easy to wash. They have different whatever you call these things here that you can take in and out. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble with one hand right now, but so then they have bigger grades. This is easy to just throw in the dishwasher or hand wash. All comes apart and just makes prepping for dinners much more simple. So I love using this instead of sitting here chopping, crying over onions. Definitely recommend. Thanks so much for checking out this video.